What's up everyone? By the way, I am Lorenzo A. Budara and now we are doing for our projects in Software Engineering 1. This is flip cards. Now we are going to answer the questions and then please help me to answer it. If you know the answer, just comment down below. Let's go! So here is our flip cards. Inside of this, there is 10 questions. So let's take a look. So here is it. So in the first page or side, this is a question. Then in the back is the answers. So first we are going to rumble it so that there is no bias. So here is the first question. This model is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. So, what do you think the answer? For me, my answer is Agile model. So, Agile model is I got the answer. So, here is the second questions. What are the strengths of waterfall model? So for me, my answer is clear structures, predictability, then good for large projects, and then easier to manage. So let's take a look. So here's the answers. Clear structures, predictability, good for large projects, and easier to manage. So I got the correct answer. So another one, here is the third question. What are the weaknesses of waterfall model? So the weaknesses of waterfall model is inflexibility, slow adaptations to changes, then late testing, then not ideal for uncertain requirements. So let's see. Oh, I got the correct answer. So here is our fourth questions. This model is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. For me, this is a waterfall model. So let's see the answer. I got the correct answer. It's waterfall model. Again, this is the fifth questions. What are those two distinct models approaches to the software development? So this is the easiest questions. For me, the two distinct approaches or models is the agile model and the waterfall model. So let's see the right answers. Oh, I got the correct answer. Agile and waterfall models. Okay, here's the sixth questions. One of the agile methodologies focuses on the short sprints in 1 to 4 weeks with regular reviews. So I think this is Strom. Let's see. Oh, I got the correct answers. It's Strom. So here is our seventh questions. What is the strength of agile model? So the strength of agile model is one flexibility, um, faster delivery, customer collaboration, and easily bug detection. Then better better risk management. So that's my answer. So let's take a look. So here's the strength of Agile model: flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, easily bug detection, and better risk management. So I got the correct answer. So for the eight questions, this agile methodologies uses a visual board to track progress and workflow. So I think Kanban, Kanban. Oh, I got the correct answer. It's Kanban. So for the ninth question, what is the weaknesses of the agile model? Weaknesses, so hard. Requires close collaboration, difficult to predict cost and time, not ideal for large scale projects without clear structure, then dependency on skilled team. So I think that is the weaknesses of the agile model. So here I got all the correct answers. So here is our last and 10 questions. So let's read the question. What are those typically pays for waterfall model? So my answer is 1. Requirements analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment, and maintenance. I think there are 6 typically phases for waterfall model. So, oh, I got the correct answers. So that's all, guys. Thank you for joining me here. And please don't forget to subscribe me on Lorenzo's channels. Thank you. Have a good day.